Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable hotspot in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To do this operation, go to settings here, then go to the network and internet, and you have a hotspot anti-tearing mode, and here you have a Wi-Fi hotspot. You can enable it by tapping on it. There is a name of your hotspot, there is a security, and there is a password which you want to make. You can change it, edit in any way. You can change many more options: manage device, timing, settings, and there is a Bluetooth tethering. I think there is a shortcut here to make a hotspot, and there is a shortcut here. If you tap it, you can disable it, same thing, and you can tap it to enable it. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!